Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hobbiesbinder with another new video. In today's video I will be sharing with you how to make a clay Rakhi easily at home. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. So friends, as you can see, I have taken here airdry clay, homemade airdry clay. So I will take only a small portion of it and rest I'll keep it in a closed box and add little bit of white acrylic into it. So because this clay, when it dries, it turns to transparent. That's the reason I am using a little bit of white acrylic to it. Now roll the clay, make a ball shape, keep it in the center of your palm and gently press it. After making the flowers, keep it aside for drying. As you can see here, I have applied the flowers after drying. So now we'll make the leaves. Take little bit of clay in your hand, roll it and make a cylindrical shape. Cut small portions out of it. Make a teardrop shape, press it and use the tool to give the lines. Here I have few flowers which I have done it before and they are completely dried. Now I am going to stick these flowers on the base. So for that I will apply glue in circular motion and stick the flowers and leaves in it to complete the Rakhi. And make sure that flowers and leaves are completely dry before sticking to the base. Otherwise they might change their shapes while pressing. must have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. And friends, if you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay safe, stay connected, keep watching Hobbiesbinder. See you soon on my next video. Until then, bye.